That's not half. That's like this much. Because there's like a little bit at the edge there, so I'm gonna do a little extra. Like that, maybe? Looks nice. Yeah. And then 90 degrees, it says. So about here. Yeah, that's about a 90. And then you open it up. Insert by folding on these creases. So it's open sync? I think it's an open sync. I'm pretty sure it's an open sync. If it's not open sync, then it's probably... It looks like an open sync. I'm gonna cut it as an open sync. If not, you can glue it right here. That'll be perfect. Boat. Yes. How would you make it if it's not this? That's what I'm wondering. If it's just like this, but no. No. I mean, it has to be. Open sync. It has to be. There we go.